Today I will show you how to make this beautiful Shungite Pyramid. You can use it to provide positive energy. We start by getting our frame of pyramids. I got this from Amazon, link in the description. The second thing that you need is to get elite or noble Shungite rocks. I got this from Amazon as well. You can find all of the links in the description. And we need a glue gun with a couple of silicone sticks. And then the next step is to put it all together and assemble the pyramid. I use parchment paper to prevent stickiness. And then I put the pyramid on one of its face. I pour the rocks and use my silicone gun on the high setting and pour the hot silicone while moving fast. Just keep going around, make sure all corners are covered. Then flip it to the other side and then do it again. Make sure that you remove all the big rocks. You don't want these heavy rocks to stick to the silicone. And then keep pouring. Make sure you cover all the edges. It should look like a flat surface at the end of the process. Leave it to cool for a couple of minutes and then turn it to the third side and repeat the process. Shungite has the property to counteract the bad energy emitted from 5G, Wi-Fi, or cell phone, and it can also provide positive energy to human and food and drinks. You can use any plate to make it dry faster. And then we move to the last side. Make sure that all corners are covered and we get a little glue to the other sides just to provide the extra support. And then here it is, our beautiful four-sided pyramid or Giza pyramid made out of Shungite. I primarily use it to provide positive energy to food, and also I put it next to my Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button and share it with others to spread the benefits. See you next time.